Good day, welcome to King Moves Everything. We got a spare tire for the Kia Soul. The Soul does not come with a spare tire for some odd reason, so I bought one. And I wanted to take a look at this fella so you kind of see what's in it. Let me get it open here. Let's get this open. There we go. So you kind of see what you get. You get the tire, the foam part, the jack, and I think some mounting hardware. And it's for $200, so quite pricey. But since you don't get a tire, it's a spare tire, we needed one. So we have the back of the Kia. I put this little mat in. Let's see, I got that separately. We'll put that back here. Like so. And then under here, got the little basket. So we're going to take this fellow out. Let's see if we can get it out. Take that part out. And of course, under here, we have this little basket. Foam. Get him out. Let's see. Oh, nice and neat. You can kind of see all the parts. You got the foam bit, the other bit. Take him out. And then we need to get this piece out. And you see there's a little knobby here. Let's see. And that gets you to your little pump and your slime kit. Oh, that's part of the pump. I think there's a slime kit in here. I think that's the slime kit right there. That's part of the pump. We're going to put that in the basket, but we're going to save it. Because I wanted a spare tire. I figured you got to have a spare tire. Let's see, did I get it? Almost. There we go. So you take this piece out, and your little basket should come out, like so. You can see there's a lot of parts in there. Now I'll get Mr. Tire. Let's see, got another one of these. Let's see, I'll take this part out. This part just sits in there. Over here. And see, he just sits inside the tire, nice and snug. And Mr. Tire goes out. And he just drops right in there. So you can see him center him. Center him like that, best you can, like so. Oh wait, there's something on there. There's a little red thing. Oops. Let's see. Oh, there's a little paper washer. I'm gonna put the paper washer back there. There we go. Just center him up best we can, and then take this piece right here and stick it in there and screw them down. That's all you got to do. Somehow get in there, baby. There we go. You can kind of see me screwing it in there. And like I said, you want to have it centered because this will snug her down to keep her from bouncing around. And we get in there just nice. Is that right? There we go. You need to crank it down. You just want your tire not to bounce. And we got second. She's still a little loose. There we go. Now we got it. She's in there. All right. And then we reassemble. And take that piece. And that just drops. It's nice and snug in there. There you go, like that. And then you put your cover back on, or your foam bit. Like so. That part goes back in here. Just like so. There's your foam part. And then we put this piece back in, nice and neat, like so. He sits in there like that. And put him back there. Let's see, oops. Oh, I didn't get it in right, did I? Yeah, I got it in there. There you go. That's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this piece down here to put the inflator parts in. Just in case you got to back up if you want to use it for some reason, or at least you have the pump with you. So let's put that in. And here's the pump. So we will stick the pump in here and this piece, which is the inflator kit. And I'm not sure what this does, but she'll go in there like that, and she's good. And I'm going to put my other part. Where did I put it? My cover. Now we'll put the plastic piece. This doesn't come with your Kia. This is something I bought separate. It's just a little plasticky part protector. What's nice about this piece, I want to put a link to this guy, is it's got the Soul logo. You can get a non-Soul one, but you spill something, at least you get mud and dirt. You can take this out and just wash it out. You're good as new. That's it. And there you go. One spare tire installed.